my neighbor's flat. I'm shaking from the ground. So from the storms that hit Southern Maryland, this is a damage assessment. So the fence is still fairly fine. That tree lost a limb, as you can see right there. And then there's kind of really nothing right here. Mine is just like dirt and stuff. So I'll get back on when I get back up there. Alright, so there's another little few twigs in the road. Just a few twigs and stuff like that. There's a power pole that survived. One of the surviving few. Oh, holy freaking crap, dude. That's a whole legitimate half of a tree down. I might go over there. That's a whole legitimate freaking tree. Like, that's half the dang tree. Holy crap. It's not that far from another tree. There's another tree right there. I'm surprised these stayed up. When we lost power last night, I thought it was one of these that took it. That tree survived. That tree lost some branches on the other side of this. It is that tree. Half of that tree died. That tree, that branch is bent. I don't always like that. I hear some equipment ahead, so like if it's like the electric company or something, I'm probably gonna start recording because I don't know if they want me to record them or not. Oh crap. He lost some trees, lost some more trees. That tree was standing up, it's down now. Alright, so there's a power pole that survived. These boxes are almost flipped. They pretty much almost flipped. We're getting up to where a tree fell last night. I saw it this morning. It knocked out power around like 9:30 Eastern Daylight Time. Excuse me. And then we got it back at like 2 in the morning. I only slept like for like an hour, but as you can see, the wires are kind of hanging down a bit. The tree was across the road because you can see where it was on the line. That tree's down. Yeah. Here's a better close-up look. This was a tree that always scared me that it was gonna fall. Smecco was down here at like midnight last night doing all this. See, this thick tree right here. The electric just fried it. It all came from that tree right there. I would walk in there, but there might be wires. Yeah, that tree down, that all came from that tree. It just kind of fell across the road. So you can see it dragged the wires down. This wire is hanging super low. That wire is normally up with the telephone wires, but it's way down low now. There's a car coming. There's another bit. There's another angle of it. It turns out I don't have a garage because if I go to try to press this button, it don't open. So looks like I'm gonna have to go in and out of the front door now. So I got my boots on now. The car that we just bought survived. That survived, which I thought that. Hey, the roof survived. The other day I came out here, thing was flapping. It was like he was waving at you. It was flapping so bad. I'm trying to come up here and see if I can get it to do its thing. Yeah. That's pretty anchored down, but the other day when we came out here, the wind was blowing it, and then so yeah, here's my lawnmower. Spider. Lawnmower survived. Is that the keys? No, it's not the keys. I'm trying to find the keys. Oh, there's a dead spider right there though. Four-wheeler survived. Everything survived? It's terrible. Well, we lost some chairs. Gotta go pick that up now. So I might just like set the phone down somewhere and go fix these screws real quick. Get through my fence. The grass is high. I gotta mow it once I find the keys. So those 2 chairs, and the umbrella went down. The cinder block stayed. The lattice is still here. Okay, so she didn't fare too terribly bad. Alright, well, go ahead and get these picked up and I'll get back to work. Now it's time for chair 2. This one should be funner because it's in the corner on top of cinder blocks. Not cinder blocks, pavers. Pool thing survived. What is that? Thing don't latch. The door. Hello, deck. The door's here. The umbrella took flight, which I'm not surprised. It's like the first thing to move. The wood and lattice stayed. Those moved. Those were not over there. Those were right there. My neighbor's roof on his thing survived. The Caprice part survived. You can see him. There we go. That's not gonna work out, so I'll set you all down for now and then go do that. That also moved. Let's go ahead and do that, and then shall go venture. Alright, so I got the chairs back up here. Here's chair 1, there's chair 2. Now I'm gonna do this umbrella part real quick, so there's water, that's why. Yeah, that should work. I can adjust the umbrella to get under there. Get up. Alright. Here's the umbrella. Took flight. Jesus God. Alright, I'm just have to put y'all down because this thing wants to unfold itself. So y'all should be able to see. Right over top of my house. There it is. It's in the black one. Yeah, feel the wind off that thing. The sun's coming in now, so. Alright, back to the cleanup process. That's gonna have to get carried by hand. Like, it doesn't want to cooperate in the barrel. That's what we're looking like so far. yeah, put you all back on the front and ride along. So that's going to be load 1 down with the wheelbarrow. So I'm going to take it back and dump it. I'm going to come back and get that. And then we'll start working on over there. There's going to be a few sticks down over there. And then after that, I might take that first actually. But yeah, first load done. Got to go back and dump it. I'll be back. So 1 load down. About like 2 more to go. Probably about 1 more, and then I'll be done. Alright, so y'all are on the bar here on the wheelbarrow. If we get a POV, so that's it for that. So now I'm going to go close up my gate and go grab that sticker. Oh, hey, that's good. I'm ready to go grab this right now. This is the stick that I've been standing over. So I'm gonna take this back to the ribs. I gotta go all the way back there, so I gotta go all the way back there, over by that tree. So it should be an interesting walk with Branch and Co. This is probably gonna be one of the longer videos, because I'm already at a minute long for this one, and then I took a whole lot of others. I'll probably be before this on mine, or yeah, probably before this. So yeah, it's just gonna be the title, probably the aftermath / cleanup of the storm. Just for those of y'all who don't know, we had a set of severe thunderstorms come through the state of Maryland the other day. Last night, well, pretty much yesterday into last night and this morning. This morning is when they really winded down. Like I said in one of the ones when I was walking, knocked out power for me from like 9:30 to like 9:30 to, what time was it? Oh my god, power back, probably like 2:15. So Branch is back in the junk pile. Now I'm gonna go walk back up to the house and then probably start editing this. So I don't know when it'll be out. I don't know if it'll be out the 17th or it might be out tomorrow, which is gonna be Wednesday. It's gonna be Wednesday the 18th. Probably when this comes out. Or I might just edit it and set it on like Premiere or something for like that. But yeah, it's probably gonna be all for. Oh no, it wasn't 2:15 when we got power back. It was probably more like closer to 3, maybe 4. Probably like 3:15, I think. Yeah, it was like 3:15 when we got power back. I remember I was awake when it happened, but I didn't have my phone with me. It was downstairs charging. So yeah, this is just probably gonna be one of the longer ones. I'm estimating this is probably gonna be around like 10 minutes. So yeah, but thanks for watching, and let me know if you want to see like more longer videos, or if you just want me to stick to shorts. Let me know in the comment section below. Alright, deuces.